everyone to please direct the students towards the ground. No scattering around. We will begin the program in 5 minutes. The more you delay, the less time you get for your stalls and DJ children. I can't hear the seniors. Good morning, children.
That's nice now. Let me begin this show today by introducing myself. So, myself Pratiksha, P2, studying in DRS International School, and I'm also one of the most famous, most favorite math student of Mr. Shanmugam Paramsivan.
Okay, and this is Vin's favorite chemistry student of my most favorite teacher, Mr. Krishna Mohan sir, who is also our vice principal sir. And you know what, Pratiksha?
Yes.
Dr. B. Krishna Mohan, the other name for discipline and determination.
Can we have a huge round and can we welcome our principal sir, our vice principal sir, our director sir, and all the delegatories who are sitting in front of us. Can we have a huge round of applause for them?
A huge round of applause to our distinguished dignitaries. Okay, once again, this is me, Vinita, and this is Pratiksha, and together we will be hosting for the day, and we welcome you all to the Great DRS Children's Day Show. Please put your hands together, children.
That's right. Today is your day, and we are here to make sure that you have the best time ever on this campus. Oh, you are only the topper of the class. I'm the topper of the school. And if you need any proof, you can ask my coordinator, Mr. Kalyan Chaudhary.
And wait, hold on. I was a topper of grade 5. Raki ma'am, from the stage. Let us begin with the program.
Can we have silence?
Students,
I'm asking a secret question. Can
we please have silence? Only then you will enjoy the show.
Okay, Vinita, I'm asking you a secret question. Did you bought your phone today in the school?
No. Never. Firstly, it's my new phone, and if RP sir sees, he will confiscate. I asked my favorite teacher, Madhurya ma'am, to click my photos today. Ma'am, please click my photos. You know what ma'am said? Vinita, I will take your photos, but you have to prove 90% marks in pre-board 1. And these teachers, board teachers, they never change.
Okay, that's a big deal you have done, Vinita. Okay, so I think we are delaying and we should start with the program. Audience, can you cheer up once again?
Thank you. And what better way to start than with a school song led by our talented MYP facilitators. Let us all rise and take position for our school song. Meanwhile, I welcome the MYP team to sing the school song. On the stage, please.
Get ready.
Check. Children, you need to remain in your... don't scatter. And soon after the school song and prayer for courage, you will be sitting in your own place. You will not move here and there, children.
Let us all take a moment to reflect and join in.
God, give me courage to do what is right, courage to speak, courage to stand for honesty, goodness, justice, and truth, courage to the good in my youth, courage to own when I am in the wrong, courage to face the day with a song, courage to guard my thoughts and my heart, courage to choose the right when I am wrong.
प्रणवालय पाहि परिपालय परमेशी कमलालय श्रीदेवी कुरिपिंचवे करुणाम्बुरासी दीप्तारा जदुलतो गानमे नाट्यं చేసే గతులతో రామశతంబుల నటులతో రాపైన నీ చూపు ఆపేలా శరణంటినే జనని నాద వినోదిని భువన పాలిని వే అనాథ రక్షణ నీవిధి కాదటే మురవిని చేరవడే
That was a mesmerizing performance by Ashwini ma'am and Sarita ma'am. Every step, every movement, we felt like it was a poetry in motion. Thank you so much, teachers.
Pratiksha, can you guess what's next? Or who's gonna come up next?
I'm not a pro like you, the so-called class topper.
Okay, let me give you a hint. Listen to me and guess. This is for the audience as well. Who's gonna come up next? I'm going to enact a few noted dialogues said by that famous person in our school. This morning, let us reflect on our existing practices and collaboratively, with a constructive and holistic approach, let us all together make value additions to our evolving school culture. Can you guess this famous personality in our school?
I guess.
Principal sir. Sir, sorry for this. Sorry for this, sir. Please don't suspend me from school.
Okay, rightly guessed, all of you. We are honored to have our beloved Principal Sir who always guides us and leads us. Let us welcome Sir to the dais to address all of us. Sir, please come.
I think Vinita has already addressed, so you're all super excited? Wow. So just happy Children's Day, enjoy your day. This is your day. Let us celebrate to the fullest extent. Rock the show. Thank you all. Have a good day.
For the short and sweet message. Your guidance and leadership always inspires us, no matter what. Up next, we have a semi-classical dance performance, and I heard it's going to be spectacular. Let us welcome your favorite teachers, our favorite teachers, the dancers, with a huge round of applause. Children, come on, give a huge round of applause.
Is it dancers or dancer? It's a dancer.
It's a surprise, Pratiksha.
Okay, let's see what's gonna happen. Let's have a huge round of applause for the upcoming dance.
रघुकुले
that on stage.
Oh no, but let's not try it, Vinika. I don't think the audience came prepared for it.
Yes, and the fun doesn't stop there. Up next, we have a soulful group singing performance. Let us give our teachers a warm welcome.
Without any side, the coin has no value. In the same way, our school has two important aspects: teachers and learners, the students. Happy Children's Day. So this is the song where we are talking about our teachers and students in a musical way.
School bina चैन कहाँ रे, students बिना teachers कहाँ रे, जोश बिना grades नहीं school तो मिला, अरे knowledge बढ़ा ले, अरे knowledge बढ़ा ले, school बिना चैन कहाँ रे, students बिना teachers कहाँ रे, जोश बिना grades नहीं school तो मिला, अरे knowledge बढ़ा ले, अरे knowledge बढ़ा ले। रोज रोज स्कूल को आते हैं सब, स्पोर्ट्स स्पोर्ट्स कह के खेलते हैं सब, रोज रोज स्कूल को आते हैं सब, स्पोर्ट्स स्पोर्ट्स कह के खेलते हैं सब, एग्जाम्स के टाइम पे रोते हैं सब, अरे मार्क्स बिना चैन कहाँ रे, मार्क्स बिना चैन कहाँ रे, जोश बिना ग्रेड्स नहीं फ्यूचर तो मिला, अरे नॉलेज बढ़ा ले, अरे नॉलेज बढ़ा ले। DRS हमारा सबसे बेस्ट, स्टूडेंट्स भी हमारे सबसे है बेस्ट, DRS हमारा सबसे है बेस्ट, स्टूडेंट्स भी हमारे सबसे है बेस्ट, प्यार से मिलते हैं हम सब, अरे चैलेंज बिना चैन कहाँ रे, चैलेंज बिना चैन कहाँ रे, जोश बिना ग्रेड्स नहीं मेडल्स तो मिला, अरे नॉलेज बढ़ा ले, अरे नॉलेज बढ़ा ले, अरे हैप्पी होले, अरे हैप्पी होले। मुस्तफा मुस्तफा रे मुस्तफा, डे बाय डे लेसन प्लान्स बनते हैं, हार्ड वर्क है कितना टीचर्स का, मुस्तफा मुस्तफा डोंट वरी मुस्तफा, हम हैं तुम्हारे मुस्तफा, डे बाय डे लेसन प्लान्स बनते हैं, हार्ड वर्क है कितना टीचर्स का।
Oh, teaching, oh, learning, oh, teaching, oh, learning.
रोज रोज स्कूल आते हैं, होमवर्क भी मिलता है, टाइम कहाँ बचा है हमको खेलने का, रोज रोज स्कूल आते हैं, होमवर्क भी मिलता है, टाइम
This morning we are honored to have with us our esteemed director, Mr. A.K. Agarwal sir. So we welcome. Yes. That was an amazing group singing performance. Thank you so much, dear colleagues, for that. And let us keep them alive with some live music. Our live band is ready to rock the stage. Are you all ready for some exciting music, children? Are we all ready? I can't hear you. Are we all ready? That sounds great. Over to band.
आँखों में सपने ली, घर से हम चल तो दिए, जाने ये राह अब ले जाएगी कहाँ। मिट्टी की खुशबू आए, पलकों में आंसू लाए, पलकों में रह जाएगा यादों का जहां। मंजिल नहीं है अनजाना है कारवां, चलना अकेले है। Check. आँखों में सपने लिए, घर से हम चल तो दिए, जाने ये राहें अब ले जाएगी कहाँ। मिट्टी के खुशबू आए, पलकों में आंसू लाए, पलकों में रह जाएगा यादों का जहां। मंजिल नहीं है अनजाना है कारवां, चलना अकेले है यहाँ। तन्हा दिल तन्हा सफर, ढूंढे तुझे फिर क्यों नजर। तन्हा दिल तन्हा सफर, ढूंढे तुझे फिर क्यों नजर। तन्हा दिल दिलकश नजारे देखे, झिलमिल सितारे देखे, आंखों में फिर भी तेरा चेहरा है जवां। कितनी बरसाते आए, कितनी सौगातें लाई, कानों में फिर भी गूंजे तेरी ही सदा। वादे किए थे अपना होगा आशियां, वादों का जाने होगा क्या। तन्हा दिल तन्हा सफर, ढूंढे तुझे फिर क्यों नजर। तन्हा दिल तन्हा सफर, ढूंढे तुझे फिर क्यों नजर। तन्हा दिल तन्हा दिल हो, तन्हा दिल। आसमां है नीला क्यों, पानी गीला गीला क्यों, गोल क्यों है जमीन। सिल्क में है नरमी क्यों, आग में है गर्मी, दो और दो पाँच क्यों नहीं। पेड़ हो गए कम क्यों, तीर है ये मौसम क्यों, चांद दो क्यों रही। दुनिया में है जंग क्यों, बहता लाल रंग क्यों, सरहदें है क्यों हर कहीं। सोचा है ये तूने क्या कभी, सोचा है कि है ये क्या सभी, सोचा है सोचा नहीं तो सोचो अभी। बहती क्यों है हर नदी, होती क्या है रोशनी, बर्फ गिरती है क्यों। दोस्त क्यों है टूटते तार, क्यों है छूटे बादलों में बिजली है क्यों। सोचा है ये तूने क्या कभी, सोचा है कि है ये क्या सभी, सोचा है सोचो अभी। सोचा है ये तूने क्या कभी, सोचा है कि है ये क्या सभी, सोचा है सोचा नहीं तो सोचो अभी। सन्नाटा सुनाई नहीं देता और हवाएं दिखाई नहीं देती। सोचा है क्या कभी होता है ये क्यों। आसमां है नीला क्यों, पानी गीला गीला क्यों, गोल क्यों है जमीन। पेड़ हो गए कम क्यों, तीर है ये मौसम, जान दो क्यों नहीं। आसमां है नीला क्यों, पानी गीला गीला क्यों, गोल क्यों है जमीन। पेड़ हो गए कम क्यों, तीर है ये मौसम, जान दो क्यों नहीं। सोचा है ये तूने क्या कभी, सोचा है कि है ये क्या सभी, सोचा है सोचा नहीं तो सोचो अभी। सोचा है ये तूने क्या कभी, सोचा है कि है ये क्या सभी, सोचा है सोचा नहीं तो सोचो अभी। सोचा है ये तूने क्या कभी, सोचा है कि है ये क्या सभी, सोचा है सोचा नहीं तो सोचो अभी।
Absolutely rocked it, didn't they?
We have solutions for every problem.
Ha ha ha. It's the other way round. You have problems for every solution. By the way, we are science students. We can show reactions for any type of action.
I won't call it action, I would call it overaction. What happened? What happened? What are you crying? Why are you crying?
Pratiksha, when I was talking about this action and overaction, I suddenly remembered an incident that happened to me yesterday. Yesterday, I was pushed out of physics lab for not getting my lab coat. Shashank sir has pushed me out of the physics lab. You know what? And for that, I need to write an apology letter, and that will be my 100th apology letter in DRS International School.
Congratulations on completing a century, Vinita. Forget yaar, let's enjoy. It's Children's Day. Let's call upon our energetic sir who is going to perform some magic show for our students.
It's not magic show. We will call upon our energetic and talented senior school teachers for a surprise treat. Are we all ready for that, children? That sounds great. Over to Praveen and Co.
గెస్ట్ అందరూ వచ్చేసారు. ప్రోగ్రామ్ స్టార్ట్
అలాగే
చేద్దాం.
సార్, మన లేడీస్ అందరూ 2 days నుంచి డాన్స్ బాగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేశారు. వాళ్ళతో స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం.
ఏంటి వాళ్ళు చేసేది? వాళ్ళకి వంట చేయడమే సరిగ్గా రాదు. ఇంకా డాన్స్ లో కూడానా? వచ్చిన వాళ్ళందరూ వాంతులు చేసుకుంటారు. నా చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి మా ఇంట్లో ఏ ఫంక్షన్ జరిగినా అది నాతోనే మొదలవుతుంది.
స్నానం చేస్తా నేను కీరవాణి రాగంతో కోరొండేస్తా, రంజని రాగంతో రఫ్ఫాడేస్తా, నిన్ను భైరవి రాగంతో భయపెట్టేస్తా, హంసధ్వని రాగంతో హింసించేస్తా, నిన్ను హిందోళ రాగంతో హీటెక్కిస్తా. శంకరా శంకరా శంకరాభరణంతో స్నానం చేస్తా, నేను కీరవాణి రాగంతో హోరండేస్తా, రంజని రాగంతో రఫ్ఫాడేస్తా, నిన్ను భైరవి రాగంతో భస్మం చేస్తా.
तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा, हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा, हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा, हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा.
That was an electrifying performance. Can we have a huge round of applause? Children, please, children, hold on. We have one final performance by your favorite teachers. It's going to be the last but not the least performance. Yes, children, one last time. Get ready to cheer for your amazing teachers. Can we have a huge round of applause?
अजीम और शान शहंशाह
किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है।
अपने कर्म की करादाएं कर दे इधर भी तूने गाए, रो रहा हूँ मैं।
जाने जा ढूंढता फिर रहा हूँ तुम्हें रात दिन, मैं यहाँ से वहाँ। जाने जा ढूंढता फिर रहा हूँ तुम्हें रात दिन, मैं यहाँ से वहाँ। मुझको आवाज़ दो, सुन गए हो सनम, तुम कहाँ, तुम कहाँ।
तुम इतना जो मुस्कुरा रहे हो, तुम इतना जो मुस्कुरा रहे, क्या गम है जिसको छुपा रहे हो, क्या गम है जिसको छुपा रहे हो।
किसी और का तुझे चाहता कोई और है, तू पसंद है किसी और की, तू पसंद है किसी और की, तुझे मांगता कोई और है।
सांस में तेरी सांस मिली तो मुझे सांस आई, मुझे सांस आई, मुझे सांस आई।
ಇದು ಸಪ್ಪ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊಳ್ತಿಗಡ ಮಜಾಪಾ ಮಜಾಪಾ ಇದಾ 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 ಏ ರೆಡಿಗಾ ಓಡಾ ಬಾತಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಓಕೆ
What a way to end. That was an extraordinary showstopper. Can we have a huge round of applause for one last time, children? Absolutely, it's been such a joy to celebrate Children's Day with all of you. We hope you had as much fun as we did. Remember, kids, today is all about you. So keep shining, keep laughing, and keep being the amazing people that you are. We love you so much. From both of you, have a fantastic Children's Day. Happy Children's Day.
But now you can go to the stalls. Happy Children's Day.
Okay kids, you want some DJ?
Children's Day and burgers are really good. Economics, Kalyan sir is Kalyan sir. When come to business, Santoshi ma'am is Santoshi ma'am. But Children's Day is really good. We want to dance.
Now my name is Shaktiran. I'm studying 6th grade. I did not think they will give this much. The fragrance, everything is very nice, and thank you DRS once again. All the food is very quality and it is nice. We enjoyed a lot. Thank you DRS and RB sir. The quality of food is so good and it is very tasty. And the stalls are so good. So the food is very nice and we are enjoying the day of our Children's Day. Our teachers encourage a lot for us. Thank you for the staff and the Children's Day.
This is Children Day. This is for only children.
The French fries and burger was too good and donut were amazing. Thank you. Happy Children's Day.
Of good quality. The crowd is not as high. The prices are completely inflated, but yes, we can work with it. And people are having fun, I can see. The MCs are... Praveen sir's dance was the best thing in this entire event, hands down. Every year, last year I was here, this year I was here. Dance is the best. Next, yeah, the skits were in the middle of the show was good. It was nice, we enjoyed it. Happy Children's Day everybody.
Yeah, happy Children's Day everyone. So today's event was pretty good, and again the shows was really amazing when Praveen sir was dancing, and everybody enjoyed a lot. So have fun.
Happy Children's Day first of all, and it was a very nice fair. The children enjoyed a lot and we teachers enjoyed a lot. Happy Children's Day.
बहुत मजा आया, बहुत अच्छे स्टॉल्स है. Thank you. Happy Children's Day.
Yeah, this is DRSIS Children Fiesta was super hit. Happy Children's Day.
This year was Dhamaka. We sold everything. Nothing is there.
Happy Children's Day.
Students are enjoying both the games a lot. The younger ones we focus for the ring game, and this one Buzz Me Not, where they have to pass the wire, and it's a houseful kind of a thing. They're enjoying.
Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day.
Children's Day, children, and come and enjoy fries in my stall and enjoy your day with all stalls.
Happy Children's Day. Wish you very happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day.
Good morning, everyone. A very happy morning and happy Children's Day to all the teachers and students as well as the parents. Whoever are here, they are given very nice entertainment, and teachers have entertained them with a nice assembly, as well as we have arranged for stalls, many games for the children to have entertainment. They are very nicely, happily enjoying all the items and food stalls here, and thanks for the management for arranging all these things. Thank you once again. Happy Children's Day.
To all my beloved students, it's your day. Enjoy and have all your lovable snacks, whatever you want to have.
Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day! Happy Children's Day! Happy Children's Day! Happy Children's Day! Happy Children's Happy Children's Day! Happy Children's Day! Happy Children's Day! Happy Children's Day! In the feast there's a lot of stalls, and especially I like the burger one, which it was pretty good, and I also liked all the other stalls. I tried many stalls, and the best one was of course the burger stall. Happy Children's Day!
Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day! Happy Children's Day!
Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day! Happy Children's Day!
Happy Children's Day and enjoy your day. God bless you all. Enjoy.
Thank you.
I wish everyone a happy Children's Day. Enjoy fun and entertainment to all students. Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day.
Today I'm very excited to come to the school today.
Why, Adrian?
Because today is celebration of Children's Day
Wow.
in our school. See that? That's a frame for the celebrations.
How are you looking, Adrian?
Wow, you're looking good.
This is our amphitheater.
We're going to celebrate Children's Day here.
Apples look pretty.
I think we are late.